here, guys. Amazing. Can you hear the sound of the rain on the roof? Woo! Woo! Look at that. Look at the sound of rain. First rain in Nigeria since it came. First rain. This is a rain for sleep, a rain for relaxation, a rain for eating, watching home movies. Woo! I'm loving it. It was indeed a heavy rain, a very heavy rain, and I loved it. And it poured, it poured, it poured, and poured like never before. The heavens opened up and showered blessings upon blessings on us. Oh my God, it was amazing. Just taking a walk around the village. Walking down the village square, the village street. What do I call it? Street, or I don't know. This is it. You guys want to see? We're just taking a walk. It's beautiful here. It rained today. A whole lot of rain. Showered, poured. And everywhere is so cool, no more dust. We are so grateful to God Almighty for this lovely, lovely rain. Okay, beautiful rain. See y'all soon. See y'all soon. And welcome to my YouTube channel, Stella's Original World. If you're new, welcome. My old subbies, welcome. Please do not forget to like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Just lazing about, running errands in the city, and dancing to some cool music playing in the car. I'm still in Nigeria. Still having so much fun right here. I'm at Owerri today. Yes, came to see the tailor, to go to relief markets. You know, little things here and there. It's a beautiful city. It's like people are still waking up, coming back from the villa, back into the city. Most people always do go to the village for Christmas. We the Igbos always like to travel down to the east, down to the countryside for village, for Xmas and New Year's celebration. And before, it used to be on the 2nd of January, everybody started running back to the city, to job, to their work. But nowadays, people tend to stay till the end of January. And I love it. I'm not complaining, because down over there at the village, it's still happening. It is still bubbling hot over there. So, guys, Nigeria is sweet home, sweet home. Yep. And then we had to go get this grilled meat, Suya meat. Oh my God, roasted meat, assorted, be it goat meat, ram, cow, chicken. It was unbelievably good. We had to go get it. Oh my God. I was so excited. I couldn't wait to dig in, eat all kinds of meats. Oh. Right here at Owerri, as Amausa, we're buying suya. We are buying suya. Look at this. No, I can't wait to dig in. Chase, I'm with them. Give me taste.
Which one?
Give me another one.
Let me give you another one. Suya this week.
Fresh suya meat. Oh, yeah.
Fresh cow meat. You can beat it. We're yumming it. So wonderful. Fresh meat, been dried, roasted. Oh my God. I wish you were here.
The best deal. I want a sausage.
I'm not a member. I'm not high.
How much I want come on? So this one, eh? 33,000.
Which one?
No,
no, see.
500 naira.
Gaskia.
500 naira.
Gaskia.
that's yeah, 130.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's good.
Oh. Yes, yes, it's fair. Oh, this is fair. Wow. What is this? Intestine, right? Oh my God. Oh my God. This is mouth-watering.
Oh, yeah. Can I have some? You're supposed to give me from another place. I'll give my brother to taste. Oh, see?
Yeah. Wow. I really wish I could snatch that from you.
Give my brother to taste.
Is that for me? Oh my God.
It's good, right?
I'm gonna eat the whole of it in just a minute.
I can't wait. The whole of this place is full of suya. Oh, southern suya. And it was time to start yumming it. In my brother's words, yumming it.